Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from December's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Gift of Glam. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum, Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm, Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge Duo, Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Blush, and the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. First, let's try out the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hyaluronic acid is something that I always look for in skincare products because I have super dry skin, especially in the winter, so I'm really happy to have received this. Next, I'm applying the Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. This is the most expensive product in the box and it retails for $68. It's clinically shown to help reduce under eye circles, bags, puffiness, and wrinkles in just 10 days. Now to apply foundation, I'm using the Araceli Beauty Sponge. This one is dry and this one is wet, and you can see that it's basically doubled in size. I love how large this sponge is once you wet it because it covers a large surface area and that just makes your blending so much quicker. For blush, I'm applying the Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush, which also comes with a little brush inside. I already own this, so it's nothing new to me, but I do like this blush. Finally, I'm applying the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner. This is a vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid liner. It is a felt tip, so it does tug on the skin lightly, but it's also very black and precise. Here's the finished look using products from December's Boxycharm. I was honestly expecting a better assortment of products to wear for Christmas or NYE, like a red lipstick or highlighter, so this month was a bit of a disappointment for me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.